Students from non-traditional high schools will take up places in traditional high schools in the new school term. Now, the move is part of an initiative by the Ministry of Education to expose them to different ways of teaching and is intended to help raise their own academic performance as well as behavior. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson tells us more in this report.
A program known as School Twinning will take effect in high schools in the 2019-2020 academic year. It will involve the temporary transfer of students from some non-traditional high schools to traditional high schools.
What you might call cross-fertilization, where the students from Haile Selassie, and that has I speak of something that is actually in train, 10, 15, 20 maybe, from Haile Selassie, who will take up residence at Arden.
For Interim Minister in charge of Education Carl Samuda, schools like Arden will provide students from non-traditional schools with a change of scenery that could have long-term benefits for how they learn and behave when conflicts come up. He said this program is needed because inequity in terms of resources in the Jamaican education system has left many students at a learning disadvantage. And this is part of the ministry's efforts to make the system more equal.
So it's not a social stigma that is going to attend the students coming from Haile Selassie to Arden. It's not a cultural breach. I am anticipating that the fit is going to be very smooth.
But interestingly, students from the traditional high schools will not be sent the other way to non-traditional schools. The minister explained why.
And I hate to call school names, but I will today, to say to that parent, well, the minister has an idea that he wishes to put into place. And that idea includes your son, who we will transfer from Campion to Haile Selassie. The success that will attend that is not discernible at the micro level. Minus zero. Dead in the water.
One high school principal gave her views on the school twinning program.
We would have seen the shortfall in the strands, and then we could work backwards to get them to improve in order to do that. So the collaboration, of course, I agree, and I believe that it would only serve to improve the quality of students that we would bring from each level of students.
The Twinning Schools project was discussed with 35 principals from across the country at a meeting last week. They are said to be supportive of the initiative. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.